Hey everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to log out from your Twitter account on your mobile phone. So if for some reason you're having trouble logging out or you just can't find the logout button, make sure to watch this video until the end and follow our steps directly to successfully log out from your Twitter account. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is enter the Twitter application. After you have entered the Twitter application and you have logged into your account, in the upper left corner you will see a picture of an avatar. You want to click on that picture in the upper left corner. This will open our account tab with a lot of options. If you look in the lower part of the account tab, you will see settings and support. You want to click on this. After clicking settings support, a new option will appear called settings and privacy. You will want to enter this option. After entering settings and privacy, there will be an array of new options, but we want the first option that is listed here, and that is the your account option, and click on that. After clicking on your account, there are multiple options here where you can do a lot of stuff, such as deactivate your account or change your password, something similar, but we don't need that today. We want to go into the first option called account information. So guys, as you can see here, after entering account information, you can see that in the lower part of the page there is a red logout button. This is the button that you want to use to log out of your account. So guys, after clicking on that button, it will prompt you if you're sure you want to log out. You will want to click on log out, and this will take you back out of your account if you're sure. So guys, let's click on log out. As you can see, it has brought me back to the main page where I can log into my account again, or I can create a new account. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you, and take care.